Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to film my favorite hair products. I used to have really long, pretty, healthy hair, and then one day I got crazy and decided I was going to go from red, bright red, to black, and then a few days later bleach the shit out of it and try and go to white blonde. And I ended up having to cut pretty much most of it off. And so it's taken me a long time to grow it back and get it healthy again. So I just wanted to go over the products that have helped me, my favorites, and I think a lot of you have had probably a similar situation if you've ever tried to go blonde. So I'm hoping that this helps you guys. If you enjoy the video, please give it a like and let's get to the products. In the beginning, I knew nothing about being blonde. I didn't understand toners. I didn't understand any of that. I didn't understand why I would go get my hair done and then a few days later it would start to get that brassy orangey color. So it's taken me a while to get the right color of blonde that I like. And so a couple times a week I will use, this is a really affordable option, it's the Shimmer Lights blonde shampoo, and it helps to tone the color and take that brassiness out so it goes to kind of a whiter blonde, which is more what I like. So there's that, and so I use that in the conditioner. I leave the shampoo in for about 5 minutes. I always get really scared that it's gonna like overtone. I don't know if that's even possible, but I've had some like really bad experiences with the blonde, so I always get a little scared. So the next product that I really enjoy, it's from a company called Living Proof. This video isn't sponsored by them. They don't even know who I am, but if they see this, like, give me a call. I use their shampoo and their conditioner, and their whole line, anything that is in the purple packaging is for damaged, dry, and damaged hair. I use a shit ton of their products. I absolutely love this company. I went and got my hair done at a hairstylist who obviously was trying to push product on me, and that always pisses me off. I can shop at a beauty supplier and get everything really cheap, so of course I didn't want to buy anything. She used the recovery mask on my hair after she had bleached over the already over processed color. My hair turned out amazing, and the recovery mask like saved my hair. So I went out and bought every single thing from that line. This is a leave-in conditioner. I spray it on my hair when it's damp, right when I get out of the shower. And then I use a wide tooth comb, starting at the bottoms, working my way up to the top to distribute the product evenly and to not further damage it. So I highly recommend this. You can buy it at Sephora. I don't know where else you can get it, but salons sell it and it's amazing stuff. Next, from the Living Proof line, I love it's called Restore Instant Repair, and it looks like this. And it's just, you squeeze out, I do like 2 little pumps into my hand, and then I work into my hands and work it through my hair, and it's just a leave-in treatment that it's for breakage solution. It says it easily mends and transforms. So I will put the leave-in conditioner on first, and then I will put this and brush it through my hair evenly. It doesn't leave like a gross feeling in your hair. I don't like the feeling of product being in my hair. It doesn't leave that feeling. It just kind of tames down the flyaways, and I feel like it is kind of rebuilding my hair. I don't know if that's just in my head, but it definitely helped with my damaged hair. So then, sticking with the Living Proof, I use my last step of that it's the Restore Instant Protection, and it's a UV protector and a heat protectant, which is so important. If you use curling irons, blow dryers, flat irons, you definitely should protect your hair with a heat protectant. And the sun is the same thing. So it's got a UV protectant built into it. So I just spray it all over my head. Once again, brush it through with a wide tooth comb. And that just is the last step in making sure once I add heat to my hair, it's not going to further cause damage. So that is my little trio that I like to use pretty much every day. I try and let my hair air dry every night so that I don't have to use the blow dryer on it, and because I'm going to curl it or flat iron it in the morning. It just helps give my hair a little bit of that break that it needs. Tried pretty much every dry shampoo. When I was a brunette, I washed my hair every single day, and I know that they say that you're not supposed to. I get really, like, I have an oily scalp, so I pretty much have to. When I went to bright red, I cut it back to every couple days I would shampoo my hair. And then now that I'm blonde, I try and do it every 3rd day, which I don't know, people wait like a whole week. Some people do. It just grosses me out. So, but my scalp is oily, so I have to use something on my um, roots. And by far the best that I've ever tried is the Moroccan Oil Dry Shampoo. You can also get it from Sephora. It is a little pricey, but you can get the light tone formula like I have here or the dark tones. So I have both. It depends how much roots I have showing. I like the rooty look. So this will leave a white cast. The one for dark hair doesn't leave a white cast. But even when I use this, I just kind of, tease my hair and fluff it out and the white cast goes away. So I really love this stuff. But a cheaper alternative that I have found, and you can get it at, where is it, Walmart. You can get it everywhere. It's called Batiste. And it is the same type deal. It comes in different fragrances. I don't like super fragrance hair products. So this one is the original one and it works really good. And I think it's under $8. This is the travel size, obviously. So this one's super cheap, really good option. And I just have one in like my purse, one in my vehicle. And yeah, it helps just kind of refresh everything. I really like is also from Sephora. I bought it on a whim just because I like the name and the packaging, and that's just how things go for me. It's called Expensive and it's from IGK and it says High Shine Top Coat. I had no idea what the hell it was, but I just, wanted to try it. I believe it was around $30. I don't know really what to call it. You use it in place of a conditioner, and I like, when I shampoo and condition my hair, I like my hair to feel so silky soft, and then when you get out, and of course it doesn't feel like that when you start combing it, but I like that feel. This makes your hair feel like $1,000,000. You are supposed to use it, leave it in for 2 to 3 minutes, use it 1 to 2 times a week. You put it on your roots to tip, which is different than a conditioner. The conditioner you usually just use at the bottom. This doesn't make your hair greasy. It doesn't weigh it down. If I let my hair air dry, it doesn't look gross and fly away and crazy and nasty. This stuff, I don't know. It's weird, but it's amazing. You should try it. If you have curly hair, I feel like it would help. Like my friend has curly hair and she always tells me all the problems that come with having curly hair that I knew nothing about. But I feel like if you put this in and then let your hair, once you rinse it out, let your hair air dry, I feel like it would create nice curls rather than get frizzy. It's really hard to explain. You have to try it. I freaking love it. I went through so many bottles of it. It's my little hidden gem. The other product I really like is from Drybar. It is a dry conditioner. I didn't know really what that meant, and I went and got my hair done at the salon, and I like the big crazy bedhead type hair look. That's why I like the tousled waves. So I take this and I spray it just obviously in the bottom, and it just adds shine. It smells so good, and it just, I don't know, it helps me have that little messy look I'm going for. My ends are obviously dry, so it helps condition the ends. I like huge hair. That's my thing. I like big lips, big eyes, big hair. So to help me get my big, huge slut hair, I love this big, sexy hair powder. I've used a lot of hair powders. I feel like this one's one of the best. I just lift up a section and I just sprinkle this on and then give it a little bit of a tease. It'll last all day. It'll make your hair, I can make my hair so big with this, and it doesn't just fall flat like other products. It does obviously make your hair feel that little bit of grittiness. It kind of feels dirty when you use it, but not as bad as other products. So this one is by far my favorite. And I know I overdo obviously the big huge hair thing, but it's just my thing. So definitely recommend giving this a try. So this is from L'Oreal. You can buy it just from a drugstore. It's Root Cover Up, and I know there's high-end brands that sell this stuff too. So I bought a couple different shades of this. I sometimes do the full blonde. Sometimes I do the really rooty look, the shadow root. I mix it up all the time. So when I get my hair freshly colored, I like to tighten it up to really tight blonde because my hair grows fast and then it looks funny when it grows out. So I'm gonna just spray a little bit on here, and they come in all different colors. So say you're in between getting your hair colored and you have gray, this will cover that up. I do have gray, which I got a mess of colors happening. So, but you just spray a little bit on and it does work, and it just, I'll do an extra, it's adding that shadow root. So I hope you can see that. I'm overdoing it just so you can see. This is for you guys. Highly recommend this product. Definitely good for in between root touch-ups. one of the last products I'm going to talk about is super important. It's pricey. It doesn't make your hair feel like it's being deep conditioned. Therefore, a lot of people probably think it doesn't work. Trust me, it does. It's the only thing like it. Well, there's copycats coming out now, but it's called Olaplex. And this is the step 3. It's the only one that you can buy to take home. So I'm going to read what it does because it's a science. Hair bonds break when hair is colored and subject to regular heat and chemical treatments. It allows you to rebuild the strength, structure, and integrity of hair and is compatible with all hair types. So when I go to the hair salon, I specifically request that they use Olaplex on my hair. It goes in with the color and it costs extra money. And then when I go home, I use the step 3 myself, usually about once a week, and it definitely helps repair your hair. So definitely give that stuff a try. And now you can buy it at Sephora, brand new item there. And then last but not least, tease and comb. I love big hair, like I said a million times. I like to tease the shit out of my hair. You can buy these for like $2 at Walmart. I seriously probably have 500. I tease my hair so hard, I usually break them off. But I've tried all different teasing combs and teasing products and stuff. This comb rocks my world. If you like this video and found it helpful, hopefully there's a few products that you want to try. If you've used any of the products, comment down below and let me know how they work for you. If there's some products that you think that I might like to try, please write that in the comments. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. I have lots more coming. I love you and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.